In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design form in QuickBooks Online 2026. Step by step. Customizing your sales forms in QuickBooks Online helps your brand look polished and makes information clearer for your customers. Let's start by opening the customization area. In the top right of QuickBooks Online, click the gear icon. Under the Your Company section, choose Custom Form Styles. Then select New Style and pick the type of form you want to design, such as an invoice, estimate, or sales receipt. If you're unsure, start with an invoice. You can create styles for the others later using the same process. Inside the form editor, begin with the Design tab to set your branding. Upload your company logo so it appears on every form. For the overall look, choose a template style like modern, friendly, or airy. Next, select an accent color that matches your brand and pick a font style that's easy to read. High contrast colors and clean professional fonts usually work best. Click Done to preview how your choices look. You can jump back in and keep refining until it feels right. Move to the Content tab to control what information shows on the form. In the Headers section, you can adjust your company name, choose where the logo appears, and set a custom form name, such as tax invoice, if that's relevant to your business. In the Table section, decide which columns are visible. You can show or hide description, quantity, rate, amount, SKU, and discount. Keep only the columns your customers need to see to avoid clutter. In the Footer section, add your payment terms, any notes, a custom message, and clear payment instructions so customers know exactly how and when to pay. You can also add custom fields to capture extra details and include a due date and a service date to clarify timelines and when work was performed. If you send forms by email, open the Emails tab to tailor the customer experience. Customize the email subject line, the main message, and the greeting. Keep it concise, friendly, and aligned with your brand voice so customers immediately recognize who it's from and what it's about. When you're happy with the design, click Done to save. Back on the Custom Form Styles page, use the drop-down next to your new style and choose Make Default if you want this design to apply automatically to new transactions. From now on, every new invoice will use your custom look, and you can always return to tweak the style as your branding evolves.